I know what I wanted to tell you guys. Oh, cute. It's a men's small, but it's like, it was probably on sale because the sizing is off. Are you gonna focus? I hated my outfit yesterday. Hi, everybody. I'm at my sister's house. I just did Sean's hair. Hey y'all, I made it to work. Hold on, let me put this up here so we can see. I took my hair down this morning. You probably saw that already. It's cool outside. It's like, well, I think the high is only gonna be 85, 84 today. Remember, just the other day it was literally 115 when I was driving home. So it's cooler now, so I was like, let me, my little top or whatever, let me wear this again before it gets cold. So today I just have on some cargo pants and this thrifted, this is actually Calvin Klein, thrifted white vest. You've probably seen it before. And I put my jacket on because it was kind of cool. All right, I gotta go to the copy room so I can scan some stuff before school starts. What time did the kids will be here in about 15 minutes. Okay, I will see you guys later. All right, bye. I know what I wanted to tell you guys. Oh my gosh, I hope this music is not, hold on, let me. I don't know why, well, no, sorry. I wanted to turn that off so I don't get demonetized or whatever. But anyway, what I was gonna tell you guys was, okay, so yesterday came home, ate a salad, not even all of it. It was really, really good. And went to church, got home probably about 9 o'clock. And I was like, I'm hungry, but I didn't really want to eat that salad. I didn't want to eat the rest of it. So I think I ate like half of one of my cookies and I went to bed. Woke up this morning, worked out, and I felt really good. And I was like, is this because I barely ate dinner? Not that I'm promoting not eating or whatever, but I think it's just, it's something can be said about not being full. Does that make sense? I hope so. So I just felt, I guess, like clean. Like I didn't feel heavy this morning. Sometimes, you know, you wake up and you feel heavy or whatever, maybe like bloated, but I didn't feel that way. I felt very light. And I think it's because I didn't eat that much for dinner last night, but tonight I'll probably eat more. But anyway, I just wanted to say that. So I'm home now. Let me show you my outfit a little bit better. Before I take these sandals off. So I just have, you know what? It ain't all that actually. I just have this white blouse on, my cargo pants, and my black sandals. That is it. Let's do a little unboxing. I had ordered a sweatshirt from Pakistan. Let's go open it. Let me turn this fan on. It's hot. Okay. We have a, I hope you guys can see, a sweatshirt from Pakistan. It's like a teeny bopper store, but I like it. So I always shop in the men's section though. PacSun's been around forever, but I used to shop there for my son And so I was like, oh, I like these hoodies. So I just bought him 2 hoodies for his birthday. And so I've been going onto the website because they have good sales. They really have good sales, and then they have free shipping. So anytime I order from them, it's like free shipping and it's a sale. So I got this hoodie. Oh, I think it's so cute. So it's a men's hoodie. It's a small. And it says the sky is the limit, and it has like all the little happy face things on there. But on the back it says the sky is the limit, and it has a bird, and then it says don't lock something up that you want it to see fly. How cute is that? That's the back of it. So my hope is that I can find some sweats that are this color. Good luck with that, right? Because I think I have some from H&M, but they're too light. Let me go see. I'll get them. Hold on. Okay, so these are the sweats that I got from H&M a while ago. They are too light. However, I might wear these together. Okay, let's try this on real quick. We'll see how it looks. Okay, so here we go. It actually looks cute with the cargo pants that I got on. Like a cute little fall outfit. And I could wear tennis shoes with it. So cute. It's a men's small, but it's like, it was probably on sale because the sizing is off. Like, this is a men's small, but it fits me. You know I'm small, so I don't know. We'll see. So let me try the sweats on. Okay, I don't like it with these sweats. Let me hurry up and take this off. You know what? I think some white sweats will probably be cute. Some white sweats would bring out the detailing and everything in the back. But yeah, and I'm going to have to dry this hoodie, not in a dryer, because I feel like it's going to get even smaller. Like this, I should have kind of sometimes like my hoodies to be oversized. I should have got a medium, but whatever. It was only like $20, so all right. Good morning. I just wanted to show you guys my, are you gonna focus? Okay. My little beanie thing that I got from Amazon. It's a satin cap. My sister actually got it for me. But it has the satin line thing on the inside. It reminds me of, what's that brand? It is Grace. It's Grace Elea Black On brand. So it's a satin cap. So anytime I have my hair out and it's not in braids, I will put that cap on at night so that my hair won't be everywhere. All right, another day, another dollar. Let's get it. It's Thursday. It's like Thursday is usually like college day at school, so we're supposed to wear our college t-shirts. So I have mine on. I'm sure you've seen it. Cal State San Bernardino, where I got my teaching degree or teaching credential. I don't have a BA in education. I have a BA in communications, and then I got a teaching credential because education was not my first choice. It's just something I got into later on. Good morning, everybody. We made it to work. I first had to turn that music down. Okay, so I'm just coming in to show you. Put a Rap Life bandy on because it's just one of those days where I need my hair to be back, and I didn't feel like bothering with it. I feel like I don't have on enough mascara. I never feel, you know, sometimes I want eyelash extensions, and then I know and I realize, like, when I don't have them or when I, you know, can't have them, then I'm gonna look bald, so to speak. So I've never had eyelash extensions, but I want them. I wish they had something like permanent eyelash extensions. Anyway, it's my friend's, my coworker, she's the counselor here, friend. It's her birthday, so I just got her this little pumpkin hand cream from Trader Joe's. I'm always kind of like, not sure how pumpkin's gonna smell, but I smelled it yesterday. Thank God they had a sample out. So it smelled really good. So I hope she likes it. She's my friend that's into the doTERRA oils like I am. And she'll mix up an oil in a heartbeat for any type of ailment, whatever, or just to smell. She always smells good because she always like has the oils or whatever. So I really hope she likes this. I'm gonna go put this in her mailbox right now. And then I will get the day started. Hey, happy Friday, everybody. I hated my outfit yesterday. Did I show y'all? Yeah, I showed you. I just felt like I wore it all wrong. And I've worn that outfit and it's been cute, but I shouldn't have paired that t-shirt with those black pants like that. Like, it was just all wrong. So today I wanted to make sure that I looked better. I got my blue jean jacket on. It's 7 for all mankind. This shirt is J. Crew. These pants are really cute. I got them at, is this J? No, these are Banana Republic at the outlet. I'll have to show you the whole thing later. But that's it. I'm ready for the day to be over. The sun's not out yet. It kind of dampens the mood sometimes when the sun's not out. But we'll get through it. It's Friday, so. All right. I'm supposed to go to braid my son's hair today. So I'll do that when I get off of work. Got my coffee from Coffee Bean yesterday. But I'm just drinking it today. Okay. Oh, you know what I'm watching? Do y'all know Emily D. Baker on YouTube? She's so good. She's a former attorney, and so she reviews all the court cases. So she's doing the one where the guy in Vegas, this was in January, the guy was in court in Vegas and he jumped over the bench and attacked the judge. So she's going through that whole trial. That trial is like they charged him for attempted murder of the judge, and I guess he wanted to go to trial. So they're doing it, or she's doing it, and so intriguing. I love it. So it's like it made my Friday. Now I have something to listen to on my prep period and something to listen to at lunch and after school. So I am so happy. Hi everybody. I'm at my sister's house. I just did Sean's hair. Here, show me her.
Actually, let me go see my hair. Let me see. Oh!
You don't need to do that if you haven't.
Oh, there we go. That means I see myself.
Oh, you gotta click.
How much you pay for this?
Free $99.
Bullshit.
How much I pay for? Oh, the camera?
Yeah.
I don't. $500, I think.
We owe on it.
Okay. But yeah, this hair looks nice. 3 hours.
Are you trying to get your stuff in?
Yeah, right now.
So let me give you your butter.
It used to take me like, focus. It used to take me forever, but now I got it down to 3 hours. And then my sister is so nice. She bought me some butter and some muffins.
Not all of them. I'm putting that for you not to take them all.
These are so good. They're just, what kind of muffins are they?
Banana.
Banana nut
Almond
muffins?
flour, banana.
I've been, they freeze so well, so I've been taking them for the past few days. And then I had BJ's, but I killed half of my veggie burger. And these fries are cold. I'm gonna take it home and eat the rest.
You can eat all the fries.
Oh, you don't want any? Oh, where's my cookie?
Because I have sweet potato.
BJ's has this $13 Pazuki meal, so I just got a veggie burger. Okay, and I could take the fries. What is this right here? Oh, is that like whipped cream for the cookie? It's probably whipped cream for the cookie. I think that's what it is.
Just one then for 3 cookies.
I don't know. Well, maybe it just goes on that. I don't know.
Oh, the cookies and cream. It probably maybe for his cookies and cream.
Cookies and cream? I thought all the cookies were chocolate chip.
No, you saw his was double chocolate, so his was
Okay, so I'll just put everything in here. Do you want this?
No, should I put the present?
All right, let me get my life together. You laughing at me because I'm... All right, I'm gonna get a few muffins. Hold on, let me put this in here. Wait, where's the lid for the fries?
It didn't come in. That's how they gave it to me. That's why I'm like,
They need
that's
to
why I gave you a Ziploc bag.
Oh, okay.
And
Like,
then
they
you
need to
put the
put, they didn't even give a
Ziploc.
lid for this. It's just like this.
That's why I think that the fries were cold. I'm like, I don't
Yeah.
want Thank you. Do better. You know what? Jim won't eat something like this?
No. And I can't, yeah, no, I have to get the lactose
Get the paper
free
one. So you don't take
Yeah,
my
I'll
cup.
get the paper ones. I'll just do like 3.